Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by enabling the Widgets panel on your Windows computer. Click the Widgets icon on the taskbar or press Win+W to open the panel. If you do not see the icon, open Settings and go to Personalization to enable widgets on the taskbar. Sign in with your Microsoft account to sync weather, calendar, and news across devices. The panel loads quickly and shows default content like weather and headlines. Keep widgets enabled for quick access while you work or browse the web. With the Widgets panel open, click the Add Widgets Plus button to browse available options. Select a widget, then choose from 3 sizes: small, medium, and large before adding it to your panel. After adding widgets, drag each widget to reorder and position the most useful ones at the top. To keep a widget visible, pin it to the top of the panel using the pin icon. You can also install additional widget apps from the Microsoft Store if you want more functionality. Customize widgets by resizing and moving them inside the panel to suit your layout. Open a Widgets menu to pick a different size or choose Remove to delete it from the panel. If you need more widgets, search the Microsoft Store and install supported widget apps quickly. When widgets stop updating, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and sign back into Windows. For persistent issues, check for Windows updates and then reinstall the widget app from the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.